Tonight, there is hope out of the nation's capital tonight that the FDA can fast-track drug testing to deal with the pandemic.
And all of this as the Senate tackles the economic downfall that has spawned from this pandemic. CBS 2's Skyler Henry reports now from Washington, D.C.
Well, thank you very much.
President Donald Trump went to FEMA headquarters, where he held a conference call with the nation's governors on the coronavirus response.
A lot of progress is being made, so I look forward to speaking to the governors.
Earlier, the president announced he's directed the FDA to fast-track testing an anti-malaria and arthritis drug called chloroquine.
It's shown very encouraging, very encouraging early results.
That's a drug that the president has directed us to take a closer look at as to whether an expanded use approach to that could be done to actually see if that benefits patients.
The FDA commissioner says an anti-Ebola drug is also being looked at, but adds that a coronavirus vaccine is still a year away.
The Trump administration continues to negotiate with Congress on a third-phase coronavirus bill that could come with a price tag of $1 trillion.
Money for people, from the middle class on down, period.
Direct checks to many Americans is part of the plan. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin says it could include a $1,000 check for each eligible adult and $500 per child. Also part of the proposal, grants for small businesses, funding for health care centers and equipment, and loans that must be paid back for hard-hit major industries. Democrats say big businesses should not be allowed to use taxpayer dollars for stock buybacks.
There needs to be conditions to make sure the interests of labor are given priority, that corporations can't buy back stock, reward executives, or lay off workers.
President Trump has indicated he could support legislation that would ban stock buybacks. Skyler Henry, CBS News, the White House.